Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. See here what is written, fraction is written. So today we are going to discuss about the fraction, okay? So question is arising in your mind why I am making videos of lower classes because integers, fraction, rational numbers are very important chapters because your higher class chapter are based on this. Okay, then there is calculation which is based on fraction, integers and fractions. Okay, so I have seen many students in 10th class who facing problem in calculating fraction, integers or rational numbers questions. Okay, so so let us see how what is fraction. How we will discuss the fraction. Okay, so now see here. So first question is arising. What is fraction? Fraction means part of whole called as fraction. Okay, see here. Part of whole is called as fraction. Okay, so see the mean. Suppose a circle is there, so this is whole part. Whole. Okay, this is whole. If we divide circle into two parts, see. So this part is called as 1 upon 2 and this part is called as 1 upon 2. Okay. Suppose again I am taking circle and I have divided circle into three equal part. Okay, three equal part. So each part is called as 1 upon 3. Now suppose again you are taking circle dividing into four parts, then each part is called as 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4 means say two part of 1, three part of 3, 1, okay, and four part of 1. So see whatever I am writing here 1 upon 2, 1 upon 3 and 1 upon 4, these are fractions. These are fractions. Okay. So you can see here what definition is there. Part of whole. Okay. So if there is a whole, if you are taking a part of that, then that part is called as fraction of whole. Okay. So suppose you have pizza. Okay. You all of you eat pizza. So pizza is sliced into various parts. Okay. So each part is called as each part. Now suppose that this is pizza and each part of pizza is called as fraction. Okay, you can understand from here also. See here, okay. So now see here, fraction is formed by two numbers. By two numbers. See here. Okay, so fraction is formed by two numbers. One is written upside and one is written two side. Now, so you can say that the part. Now we will learn part of fraction. Okay, part of fraction. Part of fraction. Uh, fraction is divided into two parts. Two parts. Okay. First one is numerator. Okay. Second one is denominator. Numerator is upper part of fraction. Upper part of fraction. And denominator is lower part of fraction. See here. Okay. It means suppose we have fraction 3 upon 4, then 3 is numerator in given fraction, okay, and 4 is denominator in given fraction. So see here, okay. So what is fraction and what is part of fraction? So fraction is part of whole called as fraction and part of fraction is numerator and denominator. Numerator is called the upper part of fraction and denominator is called the lower part of fraction. Okay. So see here. Now we will discuss types of fraction. Types of fraction. Okay. So now you can see here, numerator can be greater than denominator or denominator can be greater than denominator. So on the basis of greatest number, which is greatest number, which is smallest number, which one is smallest, numerator denominator. Okay. So on the basis of comparison between numerator and denominator, fraction is divided into two parts. Okay. On the basis of comparison between numerator and denominator. Okay, on the basis of comparison between numerator and denominator, fraction is divided into two parts. Okay, two types. First, proper fraction. Second one is improper fraction. Okay, see. So on the basis of comparison between numerator and denominator, fraction is divided into two types, proper fraction and improper fraction. Okay, in this fraction, numerator is less than denominator. Denominator. Okay. So in this fraction, numerator will be less than denominator, and in this fraction, so see example like 2 upon 3, 5 upon 7, 4 upon 5, 6 upon 11. So see etc. So these are the example of proper fraction. In this example, you can see numerator is less than denominator. See, 2 is less than 3, 5 is less than 7, 4 is less than 5, 6 is less than 11. Okay, and so on. Now we learn improper fraction. In this fraction, numerator is greater than denominator. Okay. For example, 4 upon 3, 7 upon 2, 11 upon 3, 9 upon 5, etc. See, in this, all numerator are greater than denominator. 4 is greater than 3, 7 is greater than 2, 11 is 3, and 9 is greater than 5. So we can say that these fractions are improper fraction. Okay. So now one more type are there, that is mixed fraction. Okay. So mixed fraction, this fraction is formed by three numbers. Okay. One is whole part. Don't write three numbers. Here write by two parts. One is whole part, and second is fraction part. Okay. For example, you can see 2 and 3 upon 4, 1 and 2 upon 3, 3 and 4 upon 5. So you can see here, these are the mixed fraction. As you can see, suppose we are taking this as example, then in 2 and 3 upon 4, 2 is whole part and 3 upon 4 is fraction part. Okay, means in a mixed fraction there will be two parts. One is whole part and other is fraction. Means one part is formed by whole part means number whole number is there. Whole part means whole number will be there. Okay, so see here. So mixed fraction is what? This fraction is formed by two parts. One is whole part and second is fraction part. For example, 2 and 3 upon 4. In 2 and 3 upon 4, 2 is whole part and 3 upon 4 is fraction part. Similarly, in 1 and 2 upon 3, 1 is whole part and 2 upon 3 is fraction part. In 3 and 4 upon 5, 3 is 3 is whole part and 4 upon 5 are fraction part. Okay, so see. What is fraction? Part of whole called as fraction. Okay, part of fraction, numerator, denominator, upper part of fraction, lower part of fraction. Okay, on the basis of comparison between numerator and denominator, there will be two parts, two types: proper fraction and improper fraction. Proper fraction, in this fraction, numerator is less than denominator, and improper fraction, numerator is greater than denominator. Mixed fraction, this fraction is formed by two parts. One is whole part and second is fraction part. For example, here given. Okay, you can see. Okay, now we will discuss how you will convert improper fraction into mixed, and mixed fraction is converted into improper. See, so mixed fraction is formed by improper fraction only. Here note down. Here one thing note down. Key. Here one thing note down. Key. Mixed fraction is formed by improper fraction only. Okay, only. So now we will learn how we can convert improper fraction into mixed and mixed fraction into improper. Okay, so let us see. Let us see. I hope you have understood these things, definitions. Okay, now see. So here we will learn conversion of improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay, now we are going to learn how you will convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay, so for converting improper fraction into mixed fraction, we divide numerator by denominator. Okay, so we divide numerator by denominator, so we get quotient. So we write quotient as whole part whole part and remainder as numerator and divisor as denominator as denominator of fraction part. Okay, so as you know that key mixed fraction is formed by two part, whole part and one is fraction part. So when we will convert improper fraction into mixed fraction, so we divide numerator by denominator. So if we will divide numerator by denominator, so we will get quotient. So quotient is written as whole part, remainder we will get some remainder. Remainder is written as numerator and divisor at denominator of the fraction part. Okay. So see example. For example I am showing. Okay. Convert 7 upon 3 into mixed fraction, into mixed fraction. Okay. So see here 7 upon 3 is improper fraction. Now we have to convert this fraction into mixed fraction. Okay. So see here how you will convert. So what I said ki you will divide 7 by 3 means numerator by denominator. Denominator is 3 and numerator is 7. So divide 7 by 3. So what will we get? 3 2 ja 6 will be get. And this is remainder, this is quotient. Okay. And this is divisor. Okay. This is divisor. So we write how you will write. Q will be as whole part and remainder will be upside and divisor will be downside. Okay. So 7 upon 3 can be written as what? 2 1 3. See, you have divided 7 by 3, you get 2 as quotient, 1 as remainder. So 2 written here as a whole part, 1 is written as the numerator and divisor as a denominator. So you can see here. Okay. Now see one more example. Convert 11 upon 4 into mixed fraction. Okay. So for converting, you will divide numerator by denominator. What will come? 4 to ja 8 will come. Okay, because 4 3 is 12. 12 is greater than 11. So remainder will be 3. So you will write it as question part, it as remainder part, and it is divisor part. So 11 upon 4 can be written as 2 and 3 upon 4. So in this way, you will convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay. So see this how you will convert. Okay. I will give question some for converting improper fraction into mixed fraction. Okay. Okay. Now see. Now we will learn conversion of mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. Now we have to convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. How you will convert? Okay. So see here how you will proceed for converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay. For converting mixed fraction into improper fraction, we multiply whole part we multiply denominator with whole part with whole part and add product or result with numerator. Okay. Add product with numerator. Okay. Then write whole result. Okay. Or simply write result unless you will confuse by whole result. Okay. Or write sum. Okay. Sum as numerator. Okay. And denominator will be same. And denominator will be same, will be same or as it is, will be same or as it is. Okay, as it is. So let us see how we will convert. So by taking example, for example, convert convert to 3 upon 4 into improper fraction, into improper fraction. Okay, so see here you have to convert 2 and 3 upon 4 into improper fraction. So how you will convert? See here what I said, you have to multiply denominator with the whole part. Okay, may suppose whole part is there, numerator is there, denominator is there. Okay, then what you will do, you will multiply whole part by denominator and plus numerator upon d. Okay, so this you can learn. Okay, so see here how what we will do, you will multiply 4 with 2 and add 3, what will upon 4, so what will come, see here, 4 into 2 8 plus 3 upon 4, 8 3 11 upon 4, so this will be the answer. In this way you will convert, in this way you will convert given mixed fraction into improper. Let us see one more example. Convert 3 and 4 upon 5 into improper fraction. Okay, so see how you will convert. So 3 and 4 upon 5 is equal to, you will multiply 5 into 3 plus 4. Okay, upon 5. So you can put bracket here also. Okay, first of all you have to multiply, as you know the BODMAS rule. First we multiply then add. Okay, so see here what will come, 5 3 is 15 plus 4 upon 5. So what will come, 19 upon 5 will come. See this. In this way you will convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. See here. Okay, and in this way you will convert improper fraction into mixed. Okay, so either question is given to you to convert improper fraction to mixed or mixed fraction to improper, you can do by following these steps. Okay, now I am giving you some questions, note down. Okay, for practice purpose, already I think in your book question are there. Okay, so who don't have question, so I am giving here some questions. Write the question and tell me the answer in comment box. Okay, if you have query related, if you have query related to this topic, or you are facing doubt in any question, you can take pic of that question and send me at this WhatsApp number. I will make video of that question. Okay, to clear your concept. So now write down question. Okay, classify as proper and improper fraction. Classify as proper and improper fraction. So here some fraction are written. Okay, here some fraction will be written here. You have to tell which one is proper and which one is improper. So write 3 upon 4. Okay, 2 upon 3, 4 upon 3, 3 upon 2. Okay, 7 upon 2, 9 upon 4, 4 upon 9, 2 upon 5 upon 6, 7 upon 9. Okay, now write down second question. Convert given improper fraction into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. Okay, so write 11 upon 6, second 29 upon 3, third 49 upon 10, fourth 15 upon 4. Now write down next question. Convert given mixed fraction into improper fraction. So write first 4, 5, 6, second 5, 6, 7, third 7, 8, 9, fourth 8, 9, 10. Okay, so see here, I have given you this question. So for practice purpose, solve this question. Okay, whether you can do this question or not. Okay, to clear your concept related to mixed fraction into improper into mixed, and what is proper and what is improper. Okay, so I hope you, all things have clear to you. Okay, so if you have liked the video, then share and subscribe it, and wait for the next video. In next video, I'll come with after topic related to fraction after this. Okay, so if again I'm saying, if you are facing problem in any question, take pic and send me at this WhatsApp number. Okay, or leave comment in comment box. Okay, I will clear your doubts related your query. Okay, so till now, thank you, and wait for the next video. Have a nice day. Okay, thank you.